Hey, you got the TRX-4s, slightly modified versus stock. Well, actually, this one is almost stock. The only thing that I've modified is wheels, body shell, and the motor system, which is a 6S brushless, but it's running 4S at the minute. Oh! I've got my steering trouble, man.
You haven't, have you?
Look.
You ain't got no in here as much as I have.
Oh, that servo's poorly, man. No. No. Alright, drag race coming up. We got my one on brushless 4S, and we got this one bog standard running 3S.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, where have I gone?
Oh, where have I gone? What happened?
I don't know. I'm in a tree somewhere. Look. Gone down here.
Oh. I think this might be a run-up required.
Yeah.
Oh! Alright, run up from here in high range. Hey!
Okay. Oh.
It's going, look, it's going. Look, 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 look.
Oh.
Hey, we crawled it. It fits.
Oh, hung up. Oh, it just...
Headshot! That same bit.
Oh,
Oh, easy.
oh, mate, I need a lighter shower. I'm not, that's probably my driving and all, to be honest. But
Saved it.
stuffed it. Heavy, isn't it?
Hey! Alright, so here's the challenge, guys. I've got this log here, and the first one to park it up here wins. This is the hard bit here. It's hooked up on the axles. I've only ever done it once, and that was when it was dry. Oh! Oh! Ah!
Sorry, mate.
Grass falling off.
That's how I do it.
Alright, we're on. Right, this bit here's a tricky bit.
Oh yes, beauty.
Once you're over this bit, it's game over, you're home. Last time we've done this, it was dry as well. Oh! I think it's game over, isn't
It's a
it?
nice soft landing now.
I think we're game over. Oh, it's going! Holding on for dear life. Ah! Right, round two.
Oh, right, okay.
I wonder if I can get ahead. Can I cheat? Can I cheat and get ahead of the game here?
I'm off.
I'm going to cheat and start from here. Because I've done that bit already. Oh, here we go. This could be it.
Come a little bit late into the recording here, but
This could be the one.
this might be the one.
Oh! I've not done it as a whole run though, because I cheated and only put it sort
Well,
of...
if you treat it like Super Mario, you always go back to a safe point, don't you?
Yeah. He's made it.
Oh, he's done it. He's at the end. Oh.
That's the right angle, I think, but he's just so top heavy with that body on there.
Top heavy. You can see it wanting to go already.
Much more fun, RC Land Rovers or real Land Rovers?
I don't know, they're both really enjoyable because if I did that in my real Land Rover, I'd have been quite upset.
Yeah, in the toy you can just laugh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh! We're in a very precarious position here. Life and death situation. We need some sort of recovery here. Oh no! Oh! He's alive. Oh! Ready? 3, 2, 1, nail it!
Oh God, I'm flat out there.
Look at the skid marks it left, look!
2, 3, go.
Ready?
Off the fence, mate.
Oh, nearly. Oh! Hey! Oh! Look! That's moving, man. Look at it. Oh. Oh no! Oh, what happened there? Oh!